Order, please, so that we can quickly take the question. This question is just a single line. Let's allow. Order, please. Thank you.
Yes. Sorry, your full name again?
My full name is Mazi Jerry Okoro. Mazi Jerry Okoro. Yes, let me digress a little bit because there is something you have said here that has bothered me when you said that we have the president that hears. I think if he is hearing well, he would have heard from the courts to release him after 3 release order from the courts. I think he has problem with his ears, and that is why it has not been rectified. Maybe that's why
I think we'll also be allowed to respect us.
Yes,
yes. Let's show respect. And I appeal to you, my brother.
Breaking the law everywhere.
It's a free speech.
It's a free speech. Allow him to answer his question now.
Free speech. Let him say what he has to say. What is that? Don't think that, please.
Ask your question.
Ask your question.
Can we have order, please? Please move on to your question.
Mama, ask your question.
Jerry, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ask your question.
Okay, my question, let me start like this. Let me take the liberty to mention a Greek philosopher, Plato, who said that no man is hated than the one who says the truth. This is what is happening in our place. Following Buhari's vindictive and sectarian, intolerant, authoritarian, and discriminatory attitude.
You don't have to say that. What is wrong with you guys? It's not a God.
Let them ask this question now. You're wasting the whole time. Go ahead with your question.
Please allow him.
Allow him, but you also respect us.
So, following Buhari's vindictive, sectarian, and intolerant, authoritarian, and discriminatory attitude, alienation of opponents and polarization of positions, which are predictable outcomes. We see today that Islam now controls army, police, judiciary, customs, and education. In spite of his orchestrated war against corruption that spares his friends, relatives, and party members, Nigeria is seen as a divided nation in denial of its fragility. So my question is this. What visible plan and strategy has Buhari and APC put in place since after the change master which they used to take the power? What strategies has he put in place to promote unity in the country called Nigeria?
Thank you.